Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see how to find the least number to be subtracted to make the given number a perfect square number, and also to find the square root of the perfect square number so obtained. The question given is, find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square number so obtained. So the given numbers are 4000 and 6412. Before solving the question, let us see what are the steps to be followed to get the answer. So the first step is to find the least number that must be subtracted from given number to make the given number a perfect square. So to do this, we are using long division method. So the remainder obtained in this method is the least number to be subtracted to make the given number a perfect square number. So in the second step, subtract remainder from the given number to get a perfect square number. So that is, perfect square number is equal to given number minus remainder. And in the third step, to find the square root of the so obtained perfect square number, again we are using long division method, and in this step the quotient obtained is the square root of the number. So we are going to follow these three steps to solve the given question. The first number given is 4000. Okay, so solution, we know the first step, we want to find the least number that must be subtracted from the given number, that is 4000, to make the given number a perfect square number. Okay, so now we are using long division method to find the number to be subtracted. So in the long division method, first I have written the given number 4000. The first step is we have to pair the digits. Okay, so the pairing we have to start from the ones digit, we have to pair the next digit, and we have to place the bar. So now I have paired the ones digit 0 and the next digit 0, and I have placed a bar over here. Then I have paired the next two digits 0 and 4, and I have placed a bar over here. The next step, we have to consider the number under the leftmost bar. So here the number under the leftmost bar is 40. Then we have to find a number such that whose square is less than or equal to this number 40. So we know that 6 into 6, that is 6 square, which is 36, and it's less than 40. So I have written 6 as a divisor and 1 6 as a quotient. So 6 into 6, that is 6 square is 36, I have written here. Then I have subtracted. So 40 minus 36, the remainder is 4. And in the next step, I have brought the number under the next bar down. So the number under the next bar is 0, 0. So I have brought it down and I have written to the right of this remainder 4. So now our new dividend will become 400. And in the next step, I am going to double this quotient. So your quotient is 6. I have doubled it. So that will be 12. Then I have founded a new number. So that will be the 3 here. So the same 3 will become the quotient here. Now 123 into 3 will be 369, which is less than this 400. We want it to be less than or equal to this 400. So I found it to be 123 into 3 is 369, which is less than 400. So if you put 124 into 4, so the number will be greater than 400. So we have to take only 3. So now I am subtracting 400 minus 369. So the remainder will be 31. Since the remainder is not 0, 4000 is not a perfect square number. So in the second step, we are going to subtract the remainder from the given number to find a perfect square number. So perfect square number equal to given number minus remainder. So given number is 4000 minus the remainder is 31. So 4000 minus 31 is 3969. Now this 3969 will be a perfect square number. And in the next step, we are going to find the square root of the perfect square number so obtained, that is 3969. So now by using long division method, we are going to find the square root for this 3969. So now I have written the number 3969. First step, I have placed a bar. So by pairing the digits 9 and 6 I have paired, and then I have placed a bar. Then I have paired 9 and 3, and then I have placed a bar. Then I have considered the leftmost digit. So the leftmost number under the bar is 39. Then we have to find a number such that whose square is less than or equal to this number, that is 39. So we know that 6 into 6, 6 square is 36, which is less than this 39. So one 6 is divisor, the other 6 is quotient. So now I am subtracting. 39 minus 36 is 3, that is the remainder. The next step, I am bringing the number under the next bar down. So here I have bring down 69. So the new dividend is 369. Then I have doubled the quotient. Quotient here is 6. So I have doubled, it will become 12. Then I have found out the new number to be 3. So 123, the same number will be the quotient, into 3 will become 369. So 369 minus 369 is 0. Since the remainder is 0 and there are no numbers left under the bar, so we can stop here and we can say that square root of 3969 is 63. So thus we can say that 31 is the least number which must be subtracted from 4000. So as to get a perfect square, 3969, and the square root of that perfect square so obtained is 63. The next number given is 6412. So you are going to follow the same steps. So first we are using long division method to find the number to be subtracted. So long division method, so I have written the number 6412. I have paired the digits from ones place and I have placed a bar. So 2 and 1 I have paired and I have placed a bar. 4 and 6 I have paired and I have placed a bar. Then I have considered the leftmost digit and I have found a number 8. So 8 into 8, 8 square, which is nothing but 64. So this number should be less than or equal to this 64. So we know that 8 into 8 is 64. So 64 minus 64, the remainder is 0. Then I have brought the number under the next bar down. See, I have brought it down. Okay, so now the new dividend will be 12. Then I have doubled this quotient. So 8 doubled, it will become 16. Now I have to found a number such that this new number multiplied with the new quotient will be less than or equal to this 12. So it is not possible. So 161 at least we put, 161 into 1 will be 161. So it's greater than 12. So it's 0. So 160 into 0 is 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 12 minus 0 is 12. So the remainder is 12. So we know that if we get a remainder, the given number is not a perfect square number. So now we want to find the perfect square number. So for that we are subtracting the given number by 12. Okay, so perfect square number is equal to given number 6412 minus remainder, that is 12. So it will be 6400. Now this 6400 is a perfect square number. Next step, we are going to find the square root for this 6400 by long division method. So I have written 6400, I have paired the digits and I have placed a bar. Okay, then I have found that to be 8 into 8, that is 64. 64 minus 64 is 0. So if I brought the next number down, that will also be 0. So I have added 1 0 in the quotient. So 80 is the answer, that is square root of 6400 is 80. Thus we can conclude that 12 is the least number which must be subtracted from 6412 so as to get a perfect square number, which is 6400, and the square root of that perfect square number is 80. Hope you have understood how to find the least number to be subtracted from the given number by long division method, and how to find the perfect square by subtracting the given number and the remainder obtained in the long division method. And in the next step, we are going to find the square root of that perfect square number by long division method. Thank you for watching the video.